Hey guys, how y'all doing? And welcome back to the channel. I'm David and I fix RVs. And today's project is going to be this electric tongue jack here. I'm going to take this manual hand crank tongue jack out of here and install that one. Then we're also going to install these two 6 volt golf cart batteries in series. Let's get started. These are my new batteries. So this tongue jack is literally just held in by these 3 bolts right here, here, and then there's one back here too. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those bolts. I sprayed them all down with PB Blaster, so they should come out pretty easy. I did break them loose already. He's got his truck hooked up to the hitch here, so this thing doesn't go anywhere on me. All right, that's all the bolts. Now let's see if we can lift this guy out of here. Oh yes, that was easy. Oh, that crunch you just heard, that was just one of the neighbors giving me a hard time. I'll get these bolts cleaned up a bit so they go in nice. There we go. I think that looks good. Okay, now let's drop this new one in. Dropped right in. That's nice. Looks like my 3 bolt holes are lined up. So that's what it looks like just sitting on there. I'm going to put the bolts in now. And then the batteries. I checked to see if this thing came with any new bolts, and it didn't. Yeah, I didn't figure it would. So put these old ones back in. Yeah. All right, now let's just wrench them down. Okay. Yep. Gotta get this to turn. I think this thing's getting rusty from being out in the rain too many times. All my tools are rusty. In Washington State, we get a lot of rain, except this year we've had probably more nice days than I ever remember. What about you?
You know, it's been a cold winter.
It's been cold, but I mean, just so many blue days and.
Yeah. I can't wait for the sun to come back.
Oh, same here. In the winter, I don't want to go anywhere or do anything after work. Just go home and bundle up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cuddle up.
Yeah, that too.
That too.
Yeah. Okay. All right. That should do it. All right. Let's lift these batteries in here. There's one of them. And now for number 2. Well, they put up a little bit of a fight, but I got them in. I had to route this propane line up through here. Before it was underneath, and I wasn't able to get it to go in right. So now it's on. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect this negative to this positive with this cable. Okay. And then once those are connected, we've got one positive and one negative left. So we will hook our negative up here, and then we'll hook the positive up over here. Positive side was a little corroded. I'm sanding it down a bit, get a cleaner connection. And now that I got my connections cleaned up, let's go ahead and put the negative cable on. And then the positive cable, if it reaches. Okay. Yeah, let's see. There we go. All right, so that's how you wire two 6-volt golf cart batteries in series to make a 12-volt battery. And of course, I forgot to wire the tongue jack up when I was doing this, so let me take that positive cable off and get that on there next. I'm just throwing some tie straps on here. I'll throw a ring terminal on here. Just going to snug all these terminals down a bit. All right, it's time for the final test. Yeah, let's see if these batteries can lift this RV up to on and extend. Oh yeah, another successful mission. So this kit actually did come with some new bolts. I didn't notice that. I cleaned those old ones up earlier, but now I'm just installing the new bolts. This one's getting tight, but it's not all the way on. And there we go. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.